Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion sites. Notion sites allow you to effortlessly convert your existing Notion pages into beautiful, shareable websites. Imagine turning your project documentation, personal portfolio, or even a simple blog into a public-facing site in just a few moments. It's incredibly straightforward to get started. You can enable this feature directly from any Notion page you wish to publish. This opens up a world of possibilities for sharing your work. Once your site is live, you'll want to make it truly yours. Notion sites offer excellent customization options, allowing you to select unique fonts and color schemes to match your brand or personal style. For a more professional touch, you can easily connect a custom domain name, giving your site a memorable address. Don't forget to explore the search engine optimization settings to help more people discover your content online. Effectively managing your content is key to a successful Notion site. You can easily add new pages and nest them to create a clear, organized structure for your visitors. Notion supports embedding a wide range of media, from high-resolution images to engaging videos, making your site dynamic and interactive. Publishing updates is a breeze. Any changes you make in Notion are reflected on your live site almost instantly, keeping your audience informed. Beyond the basics, Notion sites offer several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can collaborate seamlessly with team members on site content, ensuring everyone contributes effectively before publishing. Integrating analytics tools allows you to gain valuable insights into your visitor engagement and traffic patterns, helping you refine your content strategy. Plus, robust permission settings give you precise control over who can edit or even view your site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.